we are going to be going through the writing strategy PEE, which stands for Point, Evidence, Explanation. This strategy will help you with short and long answers as well as developing analytical paragraphs in essay writing. So, let's take a look. The first sentence in any short answer, long answer, or paragraph is going to be your point. This sums up your main idea in one strong sentence. Here are some examples if you are struggling to start your sentence. This does not mean you have to use these, but they are helpful and can be effective sentence starters.
In my opinion, arguably, similarly, in contrast, one of the language features used is, this writer demonstrates clearly.
The next sentence will be your evidence. The evidence sentence is aptly named, as this is where you provide evidence or support for your point. Most of the time, it is a quotation from your reading or research you have done to prove your point. Here are some examples of sentence starters if you are struggling. It is usually a good idea to introduce your quotation with a phrase or to give a bit of context to your quote rather than just dropping the quotation in as a sentence on its own.
An example of this is, this is shown, this can be seen, we know this because, this is demonstrated when.
The last part of your answer will be your explanation. This is going to explain to the reader exactly why your evidence or quotation proves your point. You never leave your quotation standing alone as an explanation. You always break it down for the reader. As you get more advanced and sophisticated answers, your explanation will become multiple sentences.
Why is the quotation significant? What effect does the quotation have on the reader? Why has the writer used this technique? Why should we be paying attention to this?
Again, here are some examples of sentence starters if you are struggling to figure out how to begin.
This shows, this suggests, this implies, this is effective or ineffective because, this writer has chosen this technique because, this would make the reader feel, this has been used because.
So that is pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed our explanation, but remember, if you get mixed up with the process as you are writing, you can always come back again and watch or contact your instructor for help.